Advanced English vocabulary brought to you by Idioms Online. Fatuous. Fatuous. Fatuous is an adjective in English. Here is its meaning. Something that is fatuous is silly, inane, and foolish, showing a lack of intelligence or thought. A remark or an action can be fatuous. If we call a remark fatuous, we mean that it is not well thought out and is very silly and perhaps stupid and pointless. A person who always makes silly remarks or does foolish things can also be described as fatuous, but in a self-satisfied or complacent way. In other words, something that is fatuous is stupid but done without self-critique or insight. It is marked by a complacent satisfaction with oneself. The noun version of the adjective fatuous is fatuousness. It can be used to describe the quality of being fatuous. She makes a lot of fatuous remarks. Here, fatuous describes remarks. The fatuousness of her remarks are not surprising, given her past behavior. Here, we are saying that her remarks have the quality of being fatuous. It's more efficient to use the adjective version, fatuous, and it makes your sentences shorter and more direct. Examples of how to use fatuous in a sentence. The defense brought up one fatuous argument after another in an attempt to confuse the jury. He dispatches fatuous nonsense to an eager audience. I think he could claim that potatoes were sentient and add another $1 million to his bank account. She's known for her fatuous comments and her ludicrous advice on health matters, but no one can deny that she's a talented actress and even a good singer. He's well-spoken but fatuous. His partner is plain and crude, but savvy and charming by comparison.